Did you know you can test your app with different network connections directly from Xcode? Open Xcode from the Spotlight. Then at the menu bar, click on Xcode, then open Developer Tools, then More Developer Tools. Your browser will open up. Enter your iCloud account credentials, then type Additional Tools, and look for the one that is smaller than and closest to your Xcode version. For example, my Xcode version is 16.1, so I will look for either Xcode 16 or Xcode 16.1, whichever I find first. Click on View Details and download the DMG file. Once downloaded, go to the Downloads folder, double-click on the DMG file, go to the Hardware folder, and double-click on the network link conditioner.prefpane file. Installing it will add it to the preferences. Now you can turn the switch on and select different profiles to mock different network behaviors. This will also affect your Mac's internet connectivity, and that is why you will be able to test your app on iOS Simulator, Android Emulator, and the web, which depend on your Mac's internet connection. After testing, don't forget to turn off the network link conditioner from the menu bar or the settings. I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to Runtime Snippets.